Hi everyone, welcome to Sparkle Beauty. I create makeup looks and review makeup products in this channel, and today I'm going to be reviewing the Nicka K-pop Neon 9 color palette in the shade Oh Honey. So stay tuned if you want to see a detailed review of this palette. And before we begin, I'd like to remind you to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. It's completely free and it would help me grow this channel, and you would get to see more videos like this one. And don't forget to like this video if you find this helpful and entertaining. And yeah, let's get started. So this palette retails for ₹6.99, and this range has a total of 4 shades, and I have reviewed all of them. And this is the yellow themed palette, and there is a blue themed palette, a green themed palette, and a red themed palette in this range. So I'm really drawn to the packaging of these palettes. They come in this color coordinated transparent plastic casing, and at the back you'd find a grid where they've mentioned how each shade could be used. In this case it could only be used as eyeshadows, but in some other palettes you could also use these eyeshadows as blushes as per suggestion. And now let's quickly open this up and check out the shades finally. So this is how the palette looks. There are a total of 9 shades, out of which 5 are shimmers and 4 mattes in this palette. And this is the color story. I find this palette really cute. I really like the lime green shimmer and the sunshine yellow shimmers and the matte yellow shades. They look really cute. There is also a gold and a bronze shimmer in this palette, and matte brown, which I find is very convenient to complete a look. And overall I find this palette really cute and promising, and can't wait to try the shades out. And now let's get swatching finally. The first shade is a shimmery lime green. Looks super stunning and promising. Can't wait to try this one. The second shade is a shimmery gold. This looks super intense too. And the third shade is a matte pastel yellow. I hope this would be pigmented and smooth on the skin. So let's try this out. Wow, this shimmery lime green is stunning and intense and pretty smooth. The shimmery gold is pretty intense and smooth too, and the matte pastel yellow is not as smooth as I expected. It's a bit powdery, but pigmentation wise it looks fine. I hope this will work fine on the eyes. And now to the next 3 shades. The fourth shade is a shimmery yellow, which looks stunning. The fifth shade is also a shimmery sunshine yellow. Now these 2 shades are very similar. And the 6th shade is a shimmery bronze, which looks pretty stunning too. And now let's try this out. So the first shimmery yellow has a bit of a brown flakes in it, and the second shimmery yellow is a pure sunshine yellow, which is very pretty. And these 2 shades look more foil than shimmers because they're really intense, and the shimmery bronze is really smooth and pretty too. So all the shimmer shades in this palette are very impressive. And now to the last 3 shades. The 7th shade is a matte off-white. The 8th shade is a matte bright yellow, which looks really impressive. And the 9th shade is a matte milk chocolate brown, which looks really cute. And now let's try these swatches. So the off-white is pretty pigmented and smooth. The matte yellow is pretty impressive. It's very pigmented and not too powdery, and the milk chocolate brown is very smooth and pigmented too. So these are all the shades of the Oh Honey palette. They look pretty impressive. The shimmers are really impressive in this palette, and the mattes are not all that bad either. Overall I'd say it's a nice palette, a cute fun palette to try out if you get this at a 50% discount. However, I'd not suggest you to get this at full price, but for a $350 palette it's nice. Plus it's hard to get a yellow themed palette on a budget, so go for it if you want to experiment with fun colors on a budget. So this was the review of the Ohani palette. Links of the other palettes are in the description. Do check them out too, and like this video if you found this helpful, and please subscribe to my channel, guys. It would help me grow this channel. It's completely free and you would get to see more videos like this one. So please do, and hope to see you in my next video. Till then, bye.